Hey, what's going on? Today I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to build an affiliate marketing funnel. There's so many people out there that are getting involved with affiliate marketing, but they get just hung up and they don't know exactly how to construct a funnel that converts and make you money. So in this video, grab yourself a pen, get a paper, write things down, because I'm going to go over how to build an affiliate marketing funnel in this video. So make sure you watch it all the way to the end. If you're brand new, it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Andre, and on this channel, I'll talk about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and ways how I can share my ideas with you to help you, because I've done this before. I'm a full-time marketer online, and this is what I do, and I'm gonna share with you my knowledge and show you how it's done if you're brand new and you never made money online. So I hope this video helped. So grab yourself pen and paper. Let's go. So first timers, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Make sure you turn on that bell notification. So every time I create a new video, you're going to be the first one to know. And if you look through here, there's a bunch of different videos that you can weed through and find something that works for you. So let's just dive into things right away. And the very first thing you want to do is I always visualize everything before I actually start to build it together. So it's just like you having a blueprint. How are you going to build a house without a blueprint? How are you going to create something if you don't have the slightest idea of how it works and what it's going to look like in the end? So I use this tool to kind of outline everything. Some people, you can put it on a paper. Nothing is wrong with that. You can write it down on a piece of paper, or you can use Funnelytics. It is free. You can sign up for it. And you could build a funnel right away to outline everything before you actually start doing anything. Now, the first thing that I always do, I think about the actual, where am I going to get? So this is the opt-in page. Opt-in page, some people call it landing page. So this is the first thing that a customer is going to see before they can see the product. Now, they're going to put their email and they're going to put their name. Some people like to build a name and email. For me, I just like to collect email. It all depends. If you're doing weight loss, you're doing network marketing, you're doing all that type of stuff. Yes, you can go for name. If you're doing real estate, you definitely want to get name, email, phone number, the best way how you can reach out, because that's how you're going to contact them. But for me, I do digital products in affiliate marketing, so I just collect an email. If you want to go get the name as well, there's nothing wrong with it. So here is the opt-in page. Some people call it capture page. So the first thing I do, I just put it here and I lay it out. Now, when someone put their name and the email in, the next thing you want to send them to is a thank you page. A page, whether it's going to have a video on it or it's just going to be a little information on it where it could take them to the next page. Nothing is wrong with opt-in page directly to the actual VSL. Nothing is wrong. And I'm going to show you how we're going to use ClickBank and attach something. So again, watch this video all the way to the end. I'm going to outline everything for you. So let's just lay it out and see what it looks like. So I have the opt-in page. The next thing you could do, you can put, where's the thank you page? I'm not going to put a thank you page. So let's just go directly to the sales page. For the sake of this video, I don't want to have you here too long, but I just want to make sure I get the point across, so that way you can set up and you can get your business up and running in no time. So we have the capture page right into the sales page. So the sales page, meaning that the sales video. And then the next thing you want to do, it's going to go directly to the make money, where they make money, right? So let me just pull it up. So they make a purchase. There it is. You get your money and they get their money. So this is like a one-step. Email, name, into the sales page. Once they watch that video, if they buy, they buy. If they don't, here's what we're going to do. You're going to connect your autoresponder. So you're going to collect. You're going to connect your autoresponder to your capture page. So these are the emails that you're gonna get, right? Hang on 1 second. Let me just put this here. This is the email. I'm gonna put another email. I'm gonna put another email. Right here, so there's email. Even though I put Gmail, it's still email. All right. So we're not gonna use Gmail because you want to make sure that you use a proper autoresponder with a domain name in order for it to work. So when somebody comes in and they put their name in the email, that email is going to be deposited in what we call the autoresponder. So it's going to come down here. It's going to come into one of these, and then they're going to see the video. If they do not buy on the initial sale, guess what? They're going to get an email once a day, reminding them, because do keep in mind that not everybody who opt in are going to have the time to watch the video. They probably opt in and they look and they be like, oh, this video, all right, it's 7 minutes long, or is it 10 minutes long, or is it 15 minutes long? I have to go back to work or I have to get out of this taxi, or I got to get on the train, or wherever it is. People get distracted. So don't be upset if you see somebody opt in and they just buy away. They don't just buy right away. So you got to remember that. People's lives are busy and they probably get distracted. So that's why you have these emails that goes out to them every single day, reminding them. So whenever you create your email in your autoresponder, you're going to send them directly back to the sales page. So you won't send them back here, because why? You already have their email address already. Why are you going to let them opt in again? So you're going to send them back here, back there, until study shows that people buy the 7 to the 12 exposure. So that's why you have to consistently drive traffic inside of your funnel. You got to put it inside of your affiliate marketing funnel consistently. It's like you're impregnating your funnel. So that means when it's like this, you're going to see sales popping out. Sales. So you just got to keep driving traffic, So that's how it works. So you got an outline of how to build a funnel. Now I'm going to show you the tools that I use, and I'm going to connect it so that way it looks real. So now you have a general idea. Let's jump into things. So the first thing you want to do, you want to see what you want to promote. And for this example, I'm using ClickBank, because ClickBank, they have a large variety of different products. By the way, if you want to learn all about this stuff, feel free to check out the first link in the description where you can sign up and you can get started, where you can learn these things. If you want to have guidance, you want to have support and somebody who's going to actually show you what to do, instead of you trying to figure it out on your own. Because I did not learn this just by doing it all by myself. So let's dive into it. So right here, and I search for different products. So for this one is a health and wellness. I always like to promote something that has a recurring payment. And here is why. If someone can buy, let's say, for example, Netflix, people sign up for Netflix and they just consistently generate, they pay for Netflix over and over again. You want to promote something that you can get paid over and over. So that's where you hear people talk about passive income. So for ClickBank, you want to click on recurring. Once you click on recurring, you want to check the gravity score. Now, flat belly tea is always selling like hotcakes. Lean belly breakthrough sell like hotcakes. These things, Organifi, sell like hotcakes. So you can look and see exactly which one you want to promote. Now for this specific one, let's go with flat belly tea. Now if you look here, you see $38 average sale. Initial sale is $38.06. Average rebill is 0.49. So people do rebill, and average bill is like 1%. It's not that high, but it still works. Average, all right, so if you look at this one, average rebill is 43%. So I would go with this one because 43% is way higher than 1% and 1%. So even though this initial sale is $74, my friend, you can sell this too. This is what you want. The average rebill is 43%. That is high. So you click on here and you'll see the link pop up. This vendor requires affiliate to pre-approve. Well, there you go. You gotta make sure you get approved for this one. So you could come on here and you could sign up and see if you can get approved. If not, try something else. Flat Belly, you're already approved, ready to go. So what I use, there's so many different things out there. You can use ClickBank. Not ClickBank. You can use ClickFunnels and Online Sales Pro, their builder, all that type of stuff. For me, I use Online Sales Pro. Online Sales Pro is like $47 a month if you want to get started. Check out the link in the description as well. So $47 per month, or you can pay $25 per month if you pay like the annual fee. All right, so let me just log in real quick. All right, so I just logged in. Here are some of the dashboards. If you can see, it's pretty user-friendly. They have some really great training inside of this as well. So let's go to edit, and I'm gonna build that funnel so you can see how it works. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to find a template, a custom template. So for weight loss, that's what we're gonna do. There is some weight loss here as well. So click on where it says weight loss. And then once you click on the weight loss, hang on one second, it's gonna bring up some weight loss. So for this one, you can go with the email opt-in, you can go with video opt-in, but for some of these things, you always want to go with something that have at least a video in the front. So let's go with this one. Now, I'm gonna hop over to YouTube. And for this one, I'm gonna use someone else's video as the front line. So let's go with Flat Belly Diet. Let's see, what are we promoting? Let's go check. Flat Belly Fix. All right, Flat Belly Fix. I'm sure there's gonna be a ton of videos over here. So there are some 1-minute videos. There are some people doing some testimonials. This was 5 months ago. This person, Flat Belly Tea Ingredients, Flat Belly. It's 7 minutes on here, 1 minute videos. So you see people already doing reviews. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna grab this because this seems like looks too generic. I want to get something that have a little bit more meaning. Even though this is like 7 minutes, but this is like a minute. This seems real.
Hey guys, Lauren here, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about my experience.
All right, so let's use Lauren. Lauren, I'm gonna use your video. It's okay, you can use people's video. That's totally cool. All right, it's on YouTube anyways. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy this, but let's go back to Online Sales Pro. So I'll come over here, and I want to read a little bit about this Flat Belly information. So number one thing you can do, you can click on here, and you can see this super simple morning method accidentally melt. All right, so I would grab this. I would grab this headline. I would come back over to Online Sales Pro. Get your bikini body in 30 days. I wouldn't do that, but I would just put this here. Cool. And that video of Lauren, I'm gonna grab Lauren's video. Once I do that, I put it where it says video. I enter that. It says discover this quick and easy program to get your best body. I would just leave that up there, and then you could put get access now. I would change the color, and the destination link, which is going to be what we're going to promote. You click on where it says promote. You always want to put a little tracking thing. You can put like Andre 1. So that way I know exactly where it's coming from. So I will grab this link, copy this link, and once I copy the link, I will go back over to Online Sales Pro. I'll put the link in here. Once I put the link in here, I would name it weight loss. Then you want to make sure you connect your autoresponder. So whatever autoresponder you're using, you can just come in here. You can use GetResponse, Aweber, all that type of stuff. And then you can put the name of the list that you've created in your autoresponder. So that way, when somebody enter their name in the email, it's going to go directly in that link. And that's where you're going to get follow-up sequence. So for this one, I just click it. Okay, there's an arrow. There's a page already. Name that already. So let's go with weight. So I'll click on Save Preview. All right. So see what it looks like. And then I'll click Done. Now I would go find it. And I'm going to show you what it looks like, the finishing touch. This is amazing. Hope you can watch this video over and over again. So I would just copy this link. I would go over here, put it in here. The video is already there, ready to play.
Hey guys, Lauren here.
So they would watch that, and then that it feels homey. It feels good. You want to be real transparent, because people will see that and they will just buy right away, instant. They're like, hey, this is great. A lot of times I use other people's YouTube videos. If you are afraid of the camera, it's okay. You can use other people's video, but when you use your own personal video, it's even better. Not a problem. You know, this is legal. It's on YouTube, so you can use it. So most people are like, well, I don't think that's legal. Of course it's legal. You can use someone else's video. Why would they put it on YouTube anyways? So I'll put in Andre. I'm going to fill this out. I'll put Andre 1, Andre Test @gmail.com. And then I'm just going to click access. Now you're going to see what it looks like. It's just going to go boom. So there it is. Turn the sound on.
She woke up screaming. That's what I remember the most. That's
what right to the video.
That's what forced me to.
So that's how you create a funnel, an affiliate marketing funnel. So this can work for anything. Anything that you want to promote. I just showed you a way how you do it. I use Online Sales Pro. Again, there's going to be a link in the description. If you want to sign up for it, feel free to do so. My link will be in the description. And if you want to learn all these things, also check out my #1 recommendation of affiliate marketing. So sign up for ClickBank and you can get started right away and start to promote. So I hope that helps, and I hope you enjoy that. And they have emails. They have done for you emails. If you click on where it says the affiliate area, you can get email swipes. So you can email, you can add all these emails in your email, like copy. See, click on here to get email swipes. You get your email swipes. I would change it up a little bit because Google getting smart these days. You don't want your emails to land in spam. So you want to switch it up a little bit, trying to tweak it just a little. Use GetResponse, or you can use Aweber and all that type of stuff. And that's how you do it. So I hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video some love, like, subscribe, share with someone. So this is, how to build an affiliate marketing funnel and get started right away where you can start bringing in sales. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.